What's up, gun?
Introducing Morgan.
Introducing Logan.
Introducing Logan.
And now we have a timer.
Dun 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 dun. A minute.
We're gonna do a minute. Okay.
If you ain't out by that minute, what happens?
I put you in it. If you don't get out in a minute, I get the point.
Wait, do your opponent lose a point?
No, I just get a point.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
So, come over here. So I have to put you in it. Now, if you quit, start. 3, 2, 1, go. Try to make you cat before then, though.
You know there's a timer.
Come on.
I can't get it out of your hands. I would always go gobby.
What the heck?
20 seconds. Not even, actually, like 19 seconds.
I want to do this again.
Are we restarting the timer?
Yeah, it's
are we restarting the points?
No, it's
I mean, what's the point?
6 to 5. Ready, set, go. This hurts my arms.
Yeah, I know.
You can't get out of keeper view. Ow.
What?
That hurts.
And I know I fucked.
Ah.
My arm. Oh, my horrible boys.
I'm trying. I think you boys.
I'm trying to hold this for like 30 more seconds.
Let go.
I'm about to pull a muscle I feel.
He's so good at this. No.
This thing. No, I'm about to lose gripping. No. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Time.
Ow. Hurt.
How did I hold that for that long?
I was even doing this.
Yeah, I went to do that thing. I usually let go after you do that.
Okay, 7 to 5.
Don't I usually let go though when you do that?
Yeah. We'll be back. Okay.
Another point for me.
7 to 6.
How do we? My arm hurts bad.
Quick start, buddy.
There.
I'm gonna reach.
Got it. I got it.
I'm gonna retry. No, you don't get no point there.
What?
That was way too fast.
Yeah, that was.
Okay, you don't have to see it.
That was like not even 20 seconds.
That was like 5.
Alright.
Ready, set, go. My finger. Slow down, Phil.
I got it. I got it. I got it. In like 20 seconds. And you can't even get out in a minute.
8 to 5.
Alright.
Let's back up some rain. Go.
I feel the pain again. I want another point. Oh. My arm. Oh. Okay, I quit.
In 30 seconds, I did that.
My arm, dude, you used to be able to do it in like 10 seconds doing that.
6 to 8.
My arms start hurting so bad. Ready, set, go.
Point cap.
My hand. I got out.
I hate you.
My arm.
Oh, wrong thing. 9 to 6.
Hit my arm though.
Bruce.
Hang on a minute. You hit my arm.
I hit your funny bone. It's 9 to 6. Come on.
Is this the last round?
No.
Oh my god, if you I can win.
You know what? We're gonna do 30 seconds.
Why?
For me and you.
Why?
Ready, set, go.
20 seconds left. Oh, heck no. Oh, God. my butt. Ah. 4.
Okay, Logan.
Another point for me.
10. Hold on, 10 to 6. We'll be back.
Why 30 seconds? Can I do 31?
No.
You all squipping.
But I never actually let go.
But
Come on, 10 more seconds.
you let it go. 11 to 6.
You got like 5 seconds left too.
Oh, he's biting me.
Bruce! Stop it.
Can't move.
Come on, Logan.
My arm hurts so bad.
Last round, so you win either way.
Okay, then I'm alright.
But actually try.
Fine, I'll try.
It hurts.
Yeah, it hurts me too, don't worry.
My funny bone.
How many seconds? 10, 9, 8. My back. Ow! You
Calm down.
Yeah, running in that.
You still won. You still won.
I don't care.
Sorry to let you that old man and cut the dang camera video. So he won. I forgot the final score. It was like 12 to 6 or 7. Either way, he won. So yeah.